Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are just going to look at some of the biggest trading losses that have been encountered by one forex trader, Joash Naidoo. He is a very brilliant trader and mentor based in South Africa, and evidently most people just look at the money that he has made in trading, but some people ignore the fact that he has also sometimes taken losses, which is part of the game. It's a part of the game that most people are not able to live with, because most people are sold on the idea of just getting in the markets, making money every day. But it's not the truth about trading. Yeah, you can see he is in blues. He is in blues. I promise you, when you watch the last part of the video, you'll be surprised at the amount of losses that he has also taken in his trading. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like the video, you don't lose anything, but you just show me if you like this kind of content so that I keep on sharing it with you guys for free. Talking about free, there are links in the description box below. See those links, and I promise you, you can download the forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. Everything that you need for your trading, you can download for free using the links in the description box below. The broker that I use, many people also ask me, their link is in the description box below. So visit the links in the description box below. Everything is there. So yeah, getting back to our video. This video is not meant to throw any shade on Joash Naidoo. He is one trader that I really respect, coming out of South Africa. I started following him back in the day when it was not even social media or Instagram famous. Most people do not even know about him, I guess. So that's when I started following him, and I've seen him over the years grow into the trader that he has become, where he's living the lifestyle. And definitely nowadays he focuses on US 30, NAS 100, and basically indices. Back in the day, he used also to trade forex, and he does that sometimes. So you can see some of his profits here, nearly half a million South African rand that is just made on this particular trade. And for those that are not in South Africa, half a million South African rand is a lot of money. Trust me, it's a lot of money. You don't know how much money it is in South Africa. So if you convert it to US dollars, it might seem like a very small amount, what's the heck, but it's a lot of money in Africa. So when you see his trades like this, and you see the losses that he encountered in trading as we progress with the video, then you begin to understand what it means. Half a million South African rand can get you good cars, can get you a decent house. I don't know, maybe not as fancy as a mansion or not as fancy, but it can get you a decent apartment, a decent house. So if somebody is going to lose half a million, or somebody is making half a million South African rand, just keep that in mind, that is actually a decent house or a very good car that we are talking about. So, one thing that I respect about Joash Naidoo is his ability of taking these huge losses and still coming back the next day to do the very same thing again. That's how he trades. You can see here, he stakes trades on top of trades. That's how he does it. I think his idea is go big or go home. So yeah, as we watch this video, you keep that in mind and be inspired by the losses that he has been sustaining, and he still comes back and does it again.
Hey guys, hope everybody is doing well this morning. Guys, transparency is key in the industry. It's a very key thing, And I want to show you the trade that I took in the morning. So I took a sell in the morning on NASDAQ. And this trade we need to profit. And I didn't close my trade. So it went into about 15 or 20 pips in profit, and I didn't close. I left it open. And eventually, you can see my loss now. I'm in $18,000 of loss. My account is about to blow. This is a loss that I've sustained. As you can see, guys, it is a live account, real. So, guys, the whole point of this video is that you must always lock your profits. Take profits when you can. Take what the market gives you.
So you definitely have to respect a guy who loses all these amounts of money. You can see nearly a million South African rand he is losing, and he's going to be happy to do this the following day, come back the next day. Here is more than 500,000 South African rand.
Hey guys, Thursday 3:30 we took a loss. I lost about $25,000 on this trade. Nasdaq just shot up, hit us out. Stop loss was hit. Guys, overall this week was a killer week. 8 wins, 1 loss taken today at 3:30. So overall a profitable week. We smashed this week, we killed this week, and we look forward to killing next week again. 8 wins this week, 1 loss. Let's look ahead, let's look up. J Money, guys. I'm out.
So you have to really be a certain kind of trader. Look at these losses. Look at these losses. Many of you guys would not be able to want to look at a trading chart ever again after sustaining these losses. I mean, I've seen people who have given up trading altogether after maybe losing 10,000 South African rand or 20,000. And look here, somebody is losing more than millions in trading. The good thing about it is he is still coming back and doing it the next day. And trust me, he has made more money than he has lost. He has lost millions in South African rands, but he has also made more millions trading, which is what you just want to do. You just need to make sure that your profits are enough to cover the losses. That's how every trader does it. If you want to be a profitable trader, a successful trader, it just means your profits are more than your losses. So I hope this video just inspires some of you guys to not be afraid. You take losses here and there. Don't abandon your trading style. Don't dump your trading strategy. Don't dump whatever you are using to make money. Trading losses are part of the game. They are part of the game. You need to accept them and you need to live with them. And importantly, you need to pick yourself up, dust yourself up, and still come back and do it the next day. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.